All right, we're going to kick off by looking at the method of how to find a percentage. Okay, this is incredibly important and it's just everywhere. Okay, you need to know how percentages work, how to find one. Before we kick off on this, I just want to actually talk through what it means to have a percentage. If you have some kind of a physical quantity, let's say this rectangle represents, I don't know, a piece of wood, or it doesn't even have to be a physical thing, it could be represent an amount of money or something like that. If I chop it up into 100 perfectly equal parts, okay, now I'm not going to go all the way through that, but use your imagination. Imagine if this was chopped up into 100 perfectly equal parts, and there's 100 slices. Maybe it is a piece of wood, okay? And we've got some kind of a laser thing that, you know, because if you use a saw, you actually lose parts of the timber with the saw. But let's say it's some kind of magical laser thing, can slice it up without losing any of it. So what we've got is 100 slices, and each one is exactly the same. So each slice, we call each slice 1%. Okay? That is what it means by chopping something up into percentages. So if we are going to find 10% of something, well, it's just 10 of these slices, isn't it? If we're going to find 97% of something, well, it's 97 of these slices. Okay, and that's a very important concept. Let's have a look at how we actually do it. Now, this is called the 1% method. You don't have to do it this way, but we might find it actually helps a lot of people. Okay, so I want to find 13% of $230. Right, so $230, that's the thing that's going to be chopped up into 100 equal parts. Now, if I'm chopping something into 100 parts, that means I'm just dividing it by 100. So, let's not start off trying to find 13%. Let's find what 1% is. 1% is just that divided by 100. So, that's 230 divided by 100. You don't have to write it out like this, but this is just to show you what's going on. You should be able to do that without a calculator. You've just got to jump the decimal place 2 over. That's 2.3. So $2.30 is actually 1% of the big thing. Well, now that I've got 1%, all I need is 13 of them. Just need 13 of them. 13 times 2.3, $29.90. Done. Okay, that's 13% of 230. Now this method is bulletproof. Okay, it will work no matter how weird the numbers look, how big the numbers are, or anything like that. And that's what you really need to understand. Don't get all stressed about the numbers. Go with procedure. Now, this one's deliberately different to this one in order to show you that it doesn't matter if the numbers look a bit weirder. We're going to go with procedure. What is 1%? Now, I've got to get that thing and divide it by 100. Well, if I chop 2 zeros off, I've divided it by 100. So 1% is 4,000. And if you want to satisfy yourself by putting 400,000 into the calculator and dividing it by 100, you'll get 4,000. All right, well now I need 1.68 of those. So 1.68% is, I'll go 1.68 times 4,000. 1.68 times 4,000, it's 6,720. Done. Okay, so that's just to show to you the numbers can look different and they can look weird, but you follow the procedure. Find 1% first, divide it by 100, and then just multiply by whatever you need. If you need 73 of them, you multiply by 73. If you need 99 of them, 99%, you just multiply by 99. Okay? That's the 1% method for percentages.